I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable biometric login on your Orange 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the main menu on your device and tap on the settings icon. This is where you'll find all the options to customize your phone. Step 2. Select Security. In the settings menu, scroll down and select Security. This section contains all the security features for your device, including biometric options. Step 3. Choose Biometric Data. Once in the security menu, look for Biometric Data or Biometrics. Tap on it to access the settings for fingerprint or facial recognition. Step 4. Add your fingerprint. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your fingerprint. Make sure to place your finger on the sensor multiple times to ensure a complete scan. If you miss a spot, it might not recognize your fingerprint later. Step 5. Enable biometric login. After adding your fingerprint, go back to the security menu and toggle on the option for biometric login. This will allow you to use your fingerprint for unlocking your device and accessing secure apps. Now you're all set to use biometric login on your Orange 2026. It's a quick and secure way to access your device. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.